Hello guys, in this video we will talk about the Editpoly, how to edit a basic shape in Editpoly. So let's start guys. So firstly we will have to make a box and pick a box from the command panel and make a box like this. The box is ready, and then we can go to the modify panel and we will change a segments from there. Yeah, I think it's right. So let's go. After that, from the modifier list we can select the Editpoly from there. Here it is, and in Editpoly we can select a second option, edge, from there. So we can select any edge, like I selected this, so only the line is selected. So after that we can click on loop. So after clicking on loop, the whole square is selected, and then we can move this by like this, and after we click over there, click on loop, and yeah, here it is. Yep. And after that we have to edit the box, and then we can select a polygon option, a fourth option from there. After clicking this, we can select a face from there, and we have to move this, and by holding your shift you can drag it back, and you can see a hole over there. So now we will make a bridge in this. So let's see guys, how can I make it. So let's click on edge on the second option and select one line from there, and hold your control and select your second line. And after that, from the command panel we can go to the edit edges, and we can click on connect settings, and this will be popped up, and you can see a line over there. So we can change it to how many you want. I want 3, so click on correct, and then we can change on the alternate side, and same process. We will select one edge, and by clicking a control on second edge, and then we can click on connect. Yep, here you can see we have the interface. So now we have to make a bridge, right? So we will select a fourth option from their polygon, select a face, and holding your control select a second face, and after that go to the edit polygons, click on bridge. That's and here it is, our bridge is ready. And like this we can make on this side too. So I will select this, and after that I will select this, and I can make a bridge now. Yeah, here it is. That's how you can make a bridge and a basic Editpoly of the basic box. So that's how you can use that. Thank you guys.